cliff. Up here.
We're at a cliff?
Don't go down here though, it's so easy to get stuck.
Wait, how do I get out?
I'm scared.
How?
You see the same. Are you gonna know how to get out of here, Josie?
No.
Because I wasn't paying attention at all.
Just relax. The trails go like everywhere.
One time we came down here, it was so muddy, and it was like me and Phil and Robin, and it was so, we had to dig the car out, and it was so fun. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come get up. Oh my god, that's gonna be so funny because he screamed so loud.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Where's the iPod?
The iPod's gone. Someone stole my iPod.
The music's still playing, so obviously. And so like, oh my god, now I'm getting scared because you're talking about people like getting.
I know I was gonna say something scary, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna say anything
No, don't
scary
do it.
because you're gonna get freaked
Oh
out.
my god, what if someone was hiding in the trunk? Say that to me.
There's no one hiding in the trunk. We haven't gotten out of the car yet. Why don't you go look, Lucy?
I don't want to.
Put some Pump Jams.
Want to listen to Taking Back Sunday?
Yeah.
I want to listen to fucking. Oh my god! Fuck ass! I don't want to listen to Make Damn Sure. I can't see.
There's the log I almost hit.
That was scary right there.
Oh my god.
This is the longest
Sick.
video.
I'm so excited. Where's the iPod holder? It's gone. Okay. Nice.
Putting back on the light so we can see.